Hello everyone, I'm Adela from Abehair Factory. Welcome back to our channel. I received a lot of questions from my customers about the difference between Vietnamese hair and Chinese hair. So after watching this video, you guys will know the difference between two types hair and which one is better to start your hair business. You can distinguish Vietnamese hairs and Chinese hair by their look. The biggest difference is the top of the hair bundle. You can see Vietnamese hairs is shown in an oval shape as shown, while Chinese hairs is shown unrolled and rolled into the circle. Vietnamese raw hair is 100% human hair, collected from healthy donors and processed before no lies. It is virgin hair, cut from a dollar only, so there's no mix. Vietnamese hair dollars are mostly women from 18 to 25 years old in the village and high mountain. Their hair is strongly without loss and tangle. China is a big market for hair extension, and they don't often have enough raw materials to produce large quantities of hair. Their hair can be collected from Chinese women. They also import hair from India to produce and sell to suppliers. China is an industrialized hair production country. When the customer buy hair, they will have hair in stock to ship. This is a great advantage of China, and customers love this point when buying Chinese hair. Unlike China, in Vietnam, hair is usually produced in a household model. The hair is handmade and the production scale is also smaller, and the hair is usually not pre-produced but will be start to be produced when the customer places an order. This process will ensure that Vietnamese hair is always kept in the latest and best state when delivered to customer. It also prevents the hair from drying out when being left in storage for a long time. In China, the grade of hair is divided into A grade. They use 6A, 7A, 8A, 9A to discern the thickness of hair bundle. Meanwhile, in Vietnam, they use single drawn, double drawn, and super double drawn. Single drawn hairs is equivalent to 6A, 7A. The hair bundle has about 50 to 60% hair at the extreme length. Other is short hair. Double drawn hair is equivalent to 8A, 9A. The hair bundle has about 60 to 70% hair at the extreme length. Other is short hair. And super double drawn is equivalent to 10A, 12A. The hair bundle has about 80 to 90% hair at the extreme length. Other is short hair. Vietnamese hair is famous for good quality at a reasonable price. They provide luxury hair that can style, bleach, and dye, and even last for a long time. The hair is durable up to 10 years if it is taken care in the right way. Chinese hair factories have a large scale. But the main difference between Vietnamese hair and Chinese hair. If you are looking for a cheap, available hair and don't mind the durability of the hair, you can try Chinese hair. If you want the best quality hair at a reasonable price and can wait for the processing time, Vietnamese hair is the best choice. If you have any question, please contact us through WhatsApp here. And thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.